Here are 8 surefire ways to boost your self-esteem and have super confidence. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach, and today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Hey, big self-esteem. I mean, feeling good about, I'm not talking about egotism. I'm talking about feeling positive about yourself, about why you are here, about your life and your purpose and your mission. When your self-esteem is big, I mean expansive, guess what? You have the ability to become more magnetic and attract more of what you desire. So let's get into this because these are important, and understand this. Attraction requires self-confidence. Attraction requires an ever-expanding self-esteem. So high flyers, this is extremely important. As your self-esteem grows, your confidence grows, guess what? Your happiness grows as well. And the universe matches what you are, not what you want to be. So think about this. If you are happy, if you are joyful, if you are confident, if your self-esteem is growing, the universe gives you more of it. And that's a good thing. So here we go. Number 1, positive I am affirmations. Absolutely essential. Every day, I fill myself with positive affirmations about who I am, where I'm going, what I'm learning, what I'm doing. It's absolutely essential. I am strong. I am powerful. I am magnetic. Create your own powerful I am affirmations and use them every single day. One of the things that I learned early on was that successful people who had made a lot of money, had very specialized knowledge. They maybe didn't know about this, that, and everything else, but they knew about what they needed to know about to make money. So think about this. You can learn a little bit about everything. You can sit there and read Google all day long, or you can read Facebook and know a little bit about everything. But that isn't going to help you. That isn't going to give you the specialized knowledge you need. So pick an area that is passionate to you, that you're excited about, that you're motivated about, and focus on developing knowledge in that area. You know, when we started making YouTube videos, I knew nothing about any of this. I knew nothing about the camera or the lighting or anything. And yet, over the years, we continue to learn more specialized knowledge. We just sat down with somebody who has a lot more knowledge than us, and we began looking at our videos and how to improve them. And so think about this. I am constantly trying to improve whatever it is I do. And the way to do that is with specialized knowledge. When you have specialized knowledge, when you're the guy in the room that knows more than everyone else on a particular subject, your self-esteem grows. Your confidence grows. Be the person that knows the most in the area that you're most interested in. So high flyers, I can remember when I was like 17 or 18 and I went through a real tough patch in my life. I lost my mom, went through a breakup at school, lost a few friends, and I was kind of walking like this, you know? I was just kind of like this all the time. And I remember I'd go visit my grandma and she'd say, "Throw those shoulders back," you know, in that grandma kind of voice. Throw those shoulders back, stand straight up. And I can tell you that focusing first and foremost on your breathing and secondly on your posture will change your self-esteem and confidence dramatically. So Practice breathing in through your nose. And out through your mouth. Shallow breathing means lower self-esteem. Breathe deep and use your nose as much. And look at, if you're not in the habit of doing this, high flyers, it's going to take a while. So just remind yourself, put a rubber band around your wrist. And every time you see it, remind yourself to throw your shoulders back and breathe deep in through your nose and out through your mouth. You're going to feel taller. You're going to feel stronger. You're going to feel more vibrant. You're going to have greater confidence, and you're going to have greater self-esteem. So I have people ask me all the time, how do I boost my confidence? How do I raise my self-esteem? How do I increase my self-esteem to its highest potential? And I say, smell Invincible. And think about that. We explore and examine and participate in life largely through our five senses. One of them is smell. Now, I have people write me all the time, smell doesn't work for me. And maybe that's true for 1% or less. But for most people, they are subconsciously influenced by smell. So that means be clean and use some natural oils to boost your natural invincibility. Feel positive, feel confident, and smell positive. Smell confident. So for men, I like patchouli, I like dragon's blood, and I like amber. And I have a formula that I use for myself that I mix all three, about a third, and a third. A little lighter on the patchouli because some people don't like patchouli. It will give you that grounded earth kind of appeal. So maybe a little lighter on the patchouli. Mix it so that you enjoy the smell first. And I promise you, others will enjoy it as well. Next, for women, I like vanilla. I like rose, but again, rose. Very, 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 very light on the rose because it's so powerful. Lotus, and of course, lavender. These are wonderful fragrances that you can blend together to make your own unique you fragrance, your own unique invincible smell. And wear this every day, put it on, and you're going to feel great about yourself. And it's going to help expand your vibrational field with more confidence and higher self-esteem. So high flyers, perhaps this is the most important, and that is setting aside time every day to connect with source energy, to connect with God, to connect with spirit, connect with your higher self. And I prefer twice a day. So rather than one time at 30 minutes, how about twice a day at 15 minutes? And just close your eyes, breathe deep in through your nose, out through your mouth, relax your body, quiet your interior spirit, visualize infinite light above your head, now descending and flowing into your body. And just connect with Source. Just feel the presence of the infinite universe flowing through you. That connection will raise your self-esteem above and beyond anything else. Okay, so here's something that I think is really important. In general, subconsciously, anything that is big is of higher confidence. Anything that is smaller is of lower confidence, which is one reason why, in general, not all the time, but in general, women tend to be attracted to men who are taller. Why? Because they believe, and we've been taught to believe this, that taller people are more confident. Well, that's not necessarily true. I mean, you can look at a number of people that are short, that are extremely successful and extremely confident. But we believe this on a subconscious level. So high flyers, as you are connecting with Source, as this light is flowing through you. Visualize yourself becoming taller and taller and taller until you fill up the entire solar system. You can feel or see the planets and the stars rotating around you. You are the center of the universe. You know, I was in Jerusalem many years ago, and there's a little black stone that has an equal arm cross on it. And that black stone indicates the center of the earth. Well, I have news for you. The center of the earth, the center of the universe is you. You are the center. And so when you focus on being the center, being tall, filling up the entire universe with your presence, you connect with the mind of God and you feel an expansion of confidence and self-esteem. High flyers, number 6 on my list is, it's very, very meaningful, and it will expand your self-esteem and confidence. Most of the people who are watching self-esteem, law of attraction videos oftentimes are in pain. They're lacking something. They're approaching life from a state of want rather than a state of abundance and prosperity. So one of the ways you can begin to approach life from a state of abundance and prosperity is to help others, to pay it forward. Look for people that you can reach out to and offer help to. And look, it doesn't have to be family. It can be people that are deserving. If you see someone that could use your help, offer your help, and don't expect anything in return. I never loan money. I just do not loan money. I give money, but I will not loan money. So give and then remind people, hey, pay it forward. Help someone else along the way. As you help others, your self-esteem, your personal power, it begins to increase dramatically. So number 7 is something that many of you have not done. Get yourself a Reiki treatment. You can get Reiki treatments in person. You can go to a clinic where you can get a nice massage and a Reiki treatment. Or if you're real busy, you can sit online and have someone give you a Reiki treatment long distance. It's phenomenal. You shut your eyes, you relax, you connect with your interior spirit, and someone begins to channel this incredible energy into your energy field. You immediately feel a boost in self-esteem. You feel a boost in confidence and in magnetism. I'm going to leave a link down below for a good friend of mine that offers Reiki treatments, but I highly believe that Reiki is a wonderful tool. And if you're a Reiki master and you want to be included, you write me. I'll put you on my website or include you in a link, because I believe more people will benefit by a positive Reiki treatment. Well, high flyers, it's nice to feel gratitude, to feel grateful for all the wonderful things that are in your life. But I think gratitude journaling, where you take 5 minutes every day and you journal about the things that you are grateful for, all the blessings that have come into your life, it just makes you feel so humble. And yet at the same time, it boosts your self-esteem and it will boost your confidence. So I highly recommend getting a really nice gratitude journal and gratitude journaling every single day. Thank you for joining us. Remember to subscribe and click that bell icon. We're here 5 days a week to empower your life with the law of attraction, the latest in the mind sciences, and of course, personal empowerment. You have a great day. You absolutely deserve it.